Recently, I shared how to make Massaman curry paste from scratch. In this video, I show you how to make beef Massaman curry using that homemade curry paste. Let's get started. We'll need some peeled potatoes and onion. Massaman curry is so comforting to eat because of the medley of herbs and dried spices used in here. It almost reminds me of a cross between an Indian and Thai curry. And beef. I'm using chuck roast here, but feel free to use your favorite cut for stews. You'll want a cut with fat for tenderness and flavor. On medium-low heat, toast the curry paste. The curry paste contains oil already. Toast until fragrant. On medium heat, in goes the beef and combined with the curry paste. Once well combined and the beef is slightly cooked on the outside, in goes water. Mix well. White cardamom, coconut milk, cover and boil on medium-low heat for 1.5 hours. After 1.5 hours, add palm sugar, and fish sauce. If you're using store-bought curry paste, please be mindful of its saltiness. You might not need to season with as much fish sauce. In goes potatoes and onion. Bay leaf, and roasted peanuts. Add tamarind concentrate to round out the flavor. Cover and boil on medium-low for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, Massaman curry is done. Taste and adjust the flavors to your liking. It should be savory, slight sweetness, and the slightest tang from the tamarind concentrate. Serve with freshly steamed rice. The beef and potatoes are tender and have absorbed the flavors of the curry. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that like button to show some love, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.